All right, where did I leave off? Okay. So this thing showed up here that was bugging me because it's blocking the screen. There you go. All right, so back to Weebly. So so here's the pages that I have, and then if I want to add a page, you go to the plus button and you want to add a standard page, and then I'm going to name it privacy. Google likes privacy pages. It makes your company look official. Now this is blank, right? So then you go to build, and then I'm gonna do I'm gonna do an H1. Again, I want this crawled, and then I'm gonna call it. I think I'm gonna call it. What do I want? Okay, I'm gonna say sewer. Sewer repair. Sewer repair. I just call it sewer repair. Okay. I want that phrase or that term crawled, and then I'm gonna clean it up a little bit here. So I'm gonna go to the center. I'm gonna go to 900. I like the way 900 looks. Okay. Looks kind of small. Go a little bigger here. All right, and then I'm gonna bring content. Okay, even though it's a privacy page, I'm still gonna use it for SEO, right? To help it rank. I'm gonna put a divider right there. I just moved it over, and then I'm gonna just say privacy here, right? I don't want to rank for privacy, so I'm not gonna do an H1 or H2. I'm just gonna do this bolded, semicolon. Oh shit, pendejo, privacy, semicolon, and then space, unbolded, and then I'm gonna just start typing away about privacy. We respect your privacy and will never share your information with our affiliates. Okay. Spell check, information, affiliates. Okay. So, okay, so anyway, so you get the picture. So you start, and you do 500, so you can, when you're doing the content, when you're writing, use keywords that pertain to the service. So I would go here at Ventura Plumbers. We want to be treated we will treat you the way we want to be treated. We provide the best plumbing service and want you to have a great experience with our company. Okay, so then we're gonna bold this because I want this to be crawled. Anytime you bold a word, you want it to be crawled. I want this to be crawled, plumbing service. So somebody Googles plumbing service, this will be crawled. Okay, I'll change it to wonderful. Suggesting wonderful experience. Okay, so so you try to use keywords in everything you write, and this has to do with privacy, obviously. But again, you wanna try to use some keywords. I mean, that you don't want to overwhelm it. Don't do a bunch. Just maybe 4 or 5 keywords per page. Okay, so that's that. All right, so I Googled contact us now. Come on. And I'm going to go to images. And see, you can borrow these, right? So, let's see this one. We'll call this. No. I'll do this one, right? And then what I'm going to do, because you don't want to, where did it go? Here it is. You don't want to download it because it has an IP address. So whenever every time you copy somebody, you wouldn't want to, what I do is I cut it like this. I don't know if I screenshot it. So I'm going to do a screenshot, right? So this has no IP address. Okay. So it's there now. Okay, so I'm back here now. So I'm gonna do the contact page here, contact form. I'm gonna put it right here. So I did the image. So now I'm gonna drag the image that I just got. Just gotta know where it goes to. When you do that, you gotta know where to go grab it from. And come on, baby, where are you? Oh, there it is. Okay, colors now, and then this is the contact page. So I'm gonna change this up a little bit. I want to add the phone number. So there's a phone number. Now, comments, I don't want them to be required, so I'm gonna just take this off. They don't have to leave a comment. Anything that has a little red asterisk, they have to give you. So they have to give you their name, email, and phone number, but they don't have to leave a comment. Okay, and then they hit submit. Now, form options, they're gonna go to PRability. So anytime, I'm gonna change this to social web pros. So when somebody submits that, it's gonna be, the form's gonna be sent to socialwebpros@gmail.com. So now I'll get it at Social Web Pros. I won't get it at my PRability. Socialwebpros@gmail.com. Okay, cool. And then I'm gonna hit save. Okay, now it's coming together. I want to change. I want to put do I have one? Let me see. I don't have a chingadera here. So let me save it again. I do have a block, color block. I don't know, color block. So I'm gonna add a color block to my elements. So you hit the plus button on the bottom. You go to color section, I think. Yeah. Color sections. See what it comes up with. And these are free. Like these are color block free. You see free? I have one that has multiple colors. I think this is it right here. So I'm gonna add it. Connect. Done. Okay. So it'll be in my repertoire here. so I can add a color block to this guy right here. So here they are. Okay, so basically I'm going to go to the privacy page, go to the this guy here. I'm gonna add a block, a color block. I'm gonna put it down here, and you know, and I'm gonna drag this guy over here to the element block right there. Boom. So now now my contact pages has a nice color to it, you know. And I can change this to say, please fill out form, right? Save it. Okay. So let's see what it looks like live. Privacy. Boom. Call us now. Please fill out form. All right. What does this have to do with privacy? Nada. Again, you just want to fill it out, fill it in so it looks nice. Again, I want to put the phone number here, so I'm going to do a text box here. I'm going to do a spacer here. Text box here. But I got to find the phone number for this guy first. Which is, what is the phone number? I buy the phone numbers. I pay $15 a month for these phone numbers, and they get redirected, right? And you see this this box I showed up. Basically, if you're on your mobile phone and you look for Ventura Plumbers and you find us, and you see that number on your on the website, it's privacy. That you can just push it and it'll call. You don't have to dial. Write the number down. I think I told you that before. And this is how you set that up. So you highlight it here. You go to the chain, the link, phone number. You enter the phone number there. You take those things out. You just want the number. Boom. And it's linked. See? And then you save it. Publish. And the only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to center it now. And then maybe make it a little bigger. Yep. Okay, so now that number is clickable. So now, the reason I like Weebly is because I've got, these are the options. Like I already paid for this plan. It's $48 a year. $48 a year. Or for a month, or 48 a year, and this just takes me live. I'm live, you know. And then I pay $20 for the domain, you know, $68 a year, and then the only real expense is the phone number, which is $15 a month or $10 a month. But other than that, it's really inexpensive to build a website and sell it, you know. So that's why I like to use Weebly, because it's cheaper. This one, $8. There's no Weebly ads, you know. I have some with no Weebly ads. I think pay 1%. It doesn't have one. Pay 1%.com. This one I built too, and this one is, yeah, this one no Weebly ads. You see, there's nada, which is cool, but I think it's $90. I'm paying $90 for this one. $90. I think it's this plan or this one of the two. All right, so that's why I like using Weebly, because it's cheap.